Learning grammar is easy, but sounding natural, that's the real challenge. These 10 phrases are what native speakers use every single day. Use them and you will instantly sound more confident. Phrase 1. Could you help me out? This phrase is perfect when you need assistance. It's polite, it's friendly, and it works in almost every situation. Example: Excuse me, could you help me out? Phrase 2. I really appreciate it. A beautiful way to say thank you with respect and kindness. Use it when someone helps you or guides you. Example: Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Phrase 3. No worries, it's all good. This modern phrase means it's okay. Use it when someone apologizes. It makes you sound calm and confident. Example: No worries, it's all good. Phrase 4. Let me think. A natural pause phrase. Use it when you're deciding something or searching for an answer. Example: let me think. Phrase 5. That sounds great. This phrase shows agreement and excitement. Use it when you like someone's plan or idea. Example: Let's meet for lunch. You reply, that sounds great. Phrase 6. I'm not sure about that. This is a respectful way to express doubt. It's soft, it's calm, and it keeps conversations positive. Example: I'm not sure about that. Phrase 7. What do you mean? Use this phrase when something isn't clear. It sounds natural and it helps you understand better. Example: Sorry, what do you mean? Phrase 8. Let's go for it. A powerful phrase to show excitement and confidence. Use it when you agree to take action. Example: Should we start the project today? You say, yes, let's go for it. Phrase 9. That makes sense. Use this phrase when an explanation becomes clear. It shows intelligence and good communication skills. Example: that makes sense. Phrase 10. I'm just kidding. This phrase is perfect after a joke or a light comment. It keeps the moment relaxed. Example: Relax, I'm just kidding. If you want a part 2 with 10 more everyday English phrases, comment part 2 below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for simple English tips every single day.